What's up everybody, welcome to Park Mazda. Today we're going to show you how to pair your Bluetooth device to the Mazda Infotainment Center. Very easy. You're going to use the Mazda HMI Commander right down there in the center of the console. You're going to turn the dial over to the settings. You're going to select the settings and you're going to scroll over with the joystick across all the tabs all the way to device where it says Bluetooth. You're going to click into Bluetooth and you're going to scroll down to where it says add new device. You're going to click that and it's going to give you time to search for it on your own device. So now you're going to go to the settings of whatever you're using, whether it's Apple or Android. We're going to use Apple for this example. Sorry, we're going to go to Bluetooth and you're going to scroll down to the very bottom where it's looking to pair for a device. There you can see it says Mazda, just like it says up here, search for Mazda your Bluetooth device. So you're going to click that. It's going to show you a request. It's going to show the same request on the screen. So you're just going to click yes, and you're going to click pair on your phone. Now you'll see up in the top here, there's a pairing in progress. And the phone is now connected. It'll say the name of the phone and everything and show it there. You can select the phone and you can use different audio profiles. You can have the Bluetooth use phone and audio, or you can just use the phone only or your music only. You can also disconnect the device and then you can unpair the device completely from the system. Disconnecting the device will just disconnect it for the time being. You can reconnect it without having to go through the same Bluetooth reconnection process. Unpairing the device will completely remove it, and if you want to pair the device again, you'll have to go through the same process we just went through. You can go to custom settings, and you can change the pairing code for your device, and you can unpair all of the devices all at once through this menu as well. If you want to unpair a device like we just showed you, just click unpair this device. It'll ask if you really want to do that. You click yes, and there you have it. So thank you very much for watching this how-to video tutorial. If you need any other information regarding your Mazda, we've got a how-to tutorial section on our website. You can go to parkmazda.ca to check that out. You can also check out our YouTube channel, which has an entire playlist full of our tutorial videos as well.